Hi, I'm Chris with Eleos Creative. Today we're going to walk through how to edit a Canva Business Card Template. You'll see here I clicked Use Template. Now we can edit the text. Of course, you can move anything around. Let's go ahead and change this. Let's talk. Nah, let's go back to let's chat, but let's change the color. Yeah, I like that. Maybe Railway isn't your font of choice. Let's try a few different ones. Now it's time to add a logo. Maybe you've got one, which you can upload into Canva, or you can search in Elements. Let's search for a house. I can change the color, position it exactly where I want it. Maybe that doesn't suit your fancy though. If you click Styles on the left, you can select from a handful of preset fonts and colors to make it just the way you like it.